We bring up the IP settings on a colour touchscreen which is brand new. Ideally, firstly, we need to reset the touchscreen, which is done by pressing this little silver push button here. This will reset the unit just like what a computer reset button will. Once the touchscreen reboots, you'll be prompted with a properties window where it'll give you the option down the bottom here to set networking. All we have to do is press that, and that'll prompt us with our network configuration utility, where we have two options which we are most concerned with here, which is enable DHCP or static IP. DHCP is used if your touchscreen is connected to a local area network which already provides things such as internet access, but in this case here today we'll be demonstrating static IP. This is used in a situation where, such as, you need to directly connect to the touchscreen just to transfer a project to it and then walk away. So we'll just press the use static IP option, where we'll be prompted to configure an IP address for the touchscreen up the top here. All we need to do is click in the field and we type an IP address here. In this case here we'll be using 192.168.2.1, which is already there. Our subnet mask in this situation here will be 255.255.255.0. On the touchscreens, you'll also need to define a default gateway. Even if it doesn't exist, something needs to be in the field. In this case here, we already have 192.168.0.1. We'll just put 2.1 here. Same thing for DNS server. You can either have it optional or not, depends if you need internet access. In this case here, we will just disable it and hit OK. That'll take a few moments to save, but once it's done, we should now be able to access touchscreen via your computer. In a situation where we have our colour touchscreen here connected to a home network or any kind of network which contains a DHCP server, it's provided from things such as modem routers or high-end servers, we can use the set networking option here once it loads, and then we can use the enable DHCP function. We hit yes to enable, and then we wait. DHCP has been successfully enabled, and it has received a lease from a lease of 0.100, and our default gateway has not been defined. This is something that needs to be configured within the actual DHCP server at this stage. And that's it.